Coming up, I will discuss why you don't have to have a boring social media feed. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. People want their social media feeds to be like the movies, and we all know that it's not. You probably recently opened up your social media app and wanted to be entertained and informed. Then you discovered quickly that your social media feed is boring and flat. You don't like what you see. You ask yourself, why am I on social media? It's okay to feel this way. We have all been there. There are several things you can do to change your social media feed so you can find more entertainment and educational content. Here are 4 ways you can turn your social media feed from boring to interesting. Number 1, understand that less is more. Introducing a lot of noise into your social media feed is easy. What I mean by noise is there are so many people and brands with their messages that you remember nothing because there is so much clutter. It starts with you liking something and then you follow this person or this brand. Soon you're following 10, then 100, and then maybe even 1,000 people. You are following too many people and must do a lot of work to find them interesting. Less is more. Go through your followers and then ask yourself, is their content interesting? It's okay to unfollow using tools like Circle Boom for Twitter and Followers Track for Instagram. Follow people who add value to your social media feed. Number 2, follow curators who do the work for you. The best followers are the people who curate content. Content curation is where a person acts like a museum curator. They share the best art in an art museum. Another analogy is like a wedding DJ who plays the best songs at a wedding. A curator is where a person, not a computer, who finds and shares the best of other people's content. They consistently find, organize, and share high quality content. When you follow curators over big publishers, you get the best content on the internet. The curator sorts through the noise for you and finds and shares the best content. They do the hard work for you. You get a steady stream of good quality articles, videos, and images. Find out who these curators follow. That will help you find the source of their content. This will help you find interesting people to follow because the curator already blessed that person or brand. Number 3, engage with valuable posts. Stay away from the cute cat photos. Social media platforms use powerful algorithms to figure out the type of content you like based on your history of what content you engage with. They crunch the numbers to figure out the content you are most likely to enjoy, so you keep coming back for more. When you share, like, or comment on a post, the social media platform then shows similar content in your feed in the future. The best way to change this is to pay attention to what you like, share, and comment on. Send signals to the social media algorithm that you like this type of content instead of the old type of content. If you want to see more clips from stand-up comedians, then watch those on Facebook. Number 4, spend time on interesting social media channels. It's essential to understand what social media channels work for you because you can't be on all of them. So you need a social media strategy. If you're looking for entertainment, Facebook and Instagram are better. For education, LinkedIn is best. For example, Facebook is good for TV show clips, music videos, and trending videos. Instagram is good for keeping up with friends. LinkedIn is good for work and career advice. Twitter is good for breaking news, bite-sized information, and following sports athletes, movie stars, and musicians. Go to the social media platform for your mood and mindset and what you want to do. Do you want to be entertained or educated? There is no single social media channel for both. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. Have a purpose for why you're checking your social media feed. You'll optimize your feed when you understand that less is more, follow curators who do the work for you, engage with valuable posts, spend time on interesting social media channels. It's essential to rethink how you use social media. You can start over from the ground up or optimize your existing social media feed. If you follow the tips I outlined in this video, you can turn your social media feed from boring to interesting. Thank you for watching. Until next time.